Today we are watching the video for IT Fitter Trade Theory Semester 2 2017 World Question Paper Language English. Dear friends, subscribe my channel and press the bell button. Full title in front of the question paper Semester 2 Theory Paper 1 Booklet Series B ABCD. This question B. Total marks 150, hours 3 hours. One question wrong, negative mark, 25% negative mark. Let's come to this subject. Question number 1. What should be done immediately if a cylinder leak due to defective valve or safety plug? What should be done immediately if a cylinder leak due to defective valve or safety plug? This question answer, move it to a safe area. This question answer D. Move it to a safe area. Question number 2. Pressure welding process generally used in sheet metal fabrication is called. Pressure welding process generally used in sheet metal fabrication is called spot welding. This question answer C. Spot welding. Question number 3. The clearance angle of drill is between dash. The clearance angle of a drill is between dash. This question answer 80 degree to 12 degree. Answer B. Question number 4. The tap used to cut thread in a planed hole is dash. The tap used to cut thread in the planed hole is dash. This question answer, first tap, tapper tap equal to first tap, second tap, bottom tap, 3 tap cutting thread. But planed hole finishing planed hole this bottom tap answer. Here the tap used to cut thread. So first tap cut thread, second tap cutting thread, bottom tap cutting thread. So any one of these. This question answer D answer. 3 tap cutting thread. But finishing thread answer bottom tap. So this question answer, fourth question answer D is correct answer. Any one of this. Question number 5. Electrode is consumed in the following welding process. Electrode is consumed in the following welding process is arc. Answer C. Arc. Question number 6. The material used for coating of electrode is called dash. The material used for coating of electrode is called flux. Answer C. Question number 7. A trip is used for dash. A trip is used for removing the drill from the machine spindle. Answer D correct answer. Removing the drill from the machine spindle, drilling machine spindle. Question number 8. The charge is fed into a blast furnace through the throat. Answer A answer. Throat. The charge is fed into the blast furnace through the throat. Question number 9. Adjustable screw plate tie is used for easy to assemble inside the collar. Answer B correct answer. Adjustable screw plate tie is used for easy to assemble inside the collar. This questions, tie nut is used for sacing or reconditioning. This question, tie nut used for. Some person is this question answer. Sacing or reconditioning is tie nut. Tie nut is used for sacing or reconditioning. But adjustable screw plate tie is used for easy to assemble inside the collar. Correct answer. Question number 10. Dash is used for galvanizing iron sheet so that they do not rust. Do not rust. This question answer, galvanizing iron sheet so that they to not rust sink. This question answer sink is used for to not rust. Question number 10, question number 11. The process of beveling the end of the hole is called. The process of beveling the end of the hole is called countersinking. This question answer B, countersinking. Countersinking. Question number 12. Straight sang trill are held in dash. Straight sang trill are held in trill jug. This question answer D, trill jug. Question number 13. Property of wrought iron is decided by dash. Property of wrought iron is decided by carbon and manganese. B answer, carbon and manganese. Question number 14. The drill hole is more than drill size due to dash. The drill hole is more than drill size due to dash. This question answer unequal lip length. This question answer B, correct answer, unequal lip length. Question number 15. Jenny caliper is used to for finding the center of round bar. This question Jenny caliper used to round bar, center of round bar. Answer C, for finding the center of round bar. Question number 16. While drilling the drill head overheated, this is due to dash. While drilling the drill head overheated, this is due to more lip clearance angle. This question answer A. Somebody person this question answer D. So D is not correct answer, not correct. More lip clearance angle or incorrect clearance angle. Incorrect clearance angle or more lip clearance angle. This A is correct answer. Excessive cutting pressure, wrong answer. Question number 17. Angle of BSW V form thread is dash. Angle of BSW V form thread is dash. This question answer 55 degree. 55 degree. Question number 18. To find check the clearance between two mating pods, dash gauge is used. Clearance mean cap. Clearance mean cap. Cap between two mating pods. Check the cap between two mating pods. Cap only checking feeler gauge. C answer, feeler gauge. Question number 19. Vernier height gauge work on principle similar to dash. Vernier height gauge works on the principle similar to dash. Vernier height gauge working principle Vernier caliper. Answer B. Question number 20. Which of the following thread is used for transmitting motion? Which of the following thread is used for transmitting motion? Used trapezoidal thread. This question answer B, trapezoidal thread. Question number 21. The coating of electrode for welding mild and low alloy steel dash is used to provide gaseous shield with reducing agent. This question answer cellulose. 21 question answer D, cellulose. Question number 22. Shaping of grinding wheel to make it run concentric with the axis is called. Shaping of grinding wheel to make it run concentric with the axis is called truing. Answer this question answer B, truing. Question number 23. Bronze is an alloy of copper and tin. This question answer B, tin. Copper and tin. B, correct answer. Question number 24. The difference between the maximum limit of size is equal to, this question, upper deviation. Maximum limit of size is equal to upper deviation. Maximum upper. So answer A answer. Correct answer A. Question number 25. Name the instrument to measure the diameter of round job. Name the instrument to measure the diameter of round job. This question answer outside micrometer. C. Question number 26. Which one of the following elements cannot be checked with the screw pitch gauge? Screw pitch gauge cannot be checked. Depth. Depth meaning perpendicular distance. Root and crest. Image. This distance. Crest to depth distance. This distance screw pitch gauge cannot be checked. So 26 question answer D, correct answer. Question number 27. Operation for making a seat for fold head washer or nut is called dash. Operation for making a seat for fold head washer or nut is called spot pacing. This question answer A, spot pacing. Question number 28. The number of deviation of vernier scale of vernier micrometer or dash. The number of deviation of vernier scale of the vernier micrometer metric or dash. This question number of deviation 10. Answer B. Vernier micrometer number of deviation 10 number. Question number 29. The surface of a grinding wheel develop a smooth and shining appearance is called dash. The surface of grinding wheel develop a smooth and shining appearance is called glazing. This question answer A, glazing. Question number 30. File are made of dash. File are made of high carbon steel. This question answer C. Question number 31. What is the functional part fillet provided in reamers? What is the functional part fillet provided in reamers? Finish concentric coal. This question answer A, finish concentric coal. Question number 32. Putting furnace is used to produce dash. Putting furnace is used to produce wrought iron. Answer C. Question number 33. In oxy-acetylene welding, color of oxygen cylinder is dash. Oxygen cylinder color is black. Answer C. Question number 34. Which flame is suitable for cutting operation? Which flame is suitable for cutting operation? Oxidizing flame. Answer A, correct answer. Question number 35. Which flame is suitable for welding of non-porous metal? Bracket, process and bronze. This question answer oxidizing flame. Answer A, correct answer. Question number 36. Left hand screw advance in dash. Left hand screw advance in anti-clock direction. Anti-clockwise. Answer B. Question number 37. Acme thread is a modified form of dash. Acme thread is modified form of square thread. Answer B, correct answer. Question number 38. Mechanical seal are used to dash. This question answer prevent leakage. Answer B, correct answer. Question number 39. Interchangeability of parts in best suited for dash. Interchangeability of part is best suited for mass production. Answer B, correct answer. This question mass production. Question number 40. Cook scraper are used for scraping dash. Scoop scraper are used for scraping dash center portion of the flat surface. C, correct answer. Center portion of the flat surface. Question number 41. In marking of grinding wheel, dash compulsory symbols are used. crane diagram compulsory 7 symbols. This question answer A, correct answer. Marking of crane diagram dash compulsory symbols are used 7 numbers. Question number 42. While over tighten the pengevise, which part will get damage? Pengevise handle, spindle. This question answer spindle. While over tighten the pengevise handle, which parts will be damaged? Damage will be spindle damage. Question number 43. Zero line represent dash. Zero line represent, this question answer zero deviation. Line up zero deviation. This question answer C, correct answer. Zero line represent is zero deviation. Question number 44. Twistle are made of dash. Twistle are made of dash. This question answer high speed steel, KHSS. This question answer A, correct answer, high speed steel. Question number 45. Which type of apron is used while doing welding? Which type of apron is used while doing welding? This question answer leather and wool. D, correct answer, leather and wool. Question number 46. Which one of the following is not reason for accident? Which one of the following is not reason for accident? So using clothes. This question answer correct. D, answer correct. Question number 47. In lap joint plate are keep dash. In lap joint plates are keep dash. Lap joint is overlap position. This question answer C, correct answer. So lap joint meaning one plate to other plate. Butt joint meaning one plate to another plate. This is butt jointing. So this lap jointing. So overlap position. Answer C. Question number 48. Killed steel is opposite of dash steel. Killed steel is opposite of dash steel. Reamed steel. This question answer C. Reamed steel. Question number 49. Welding plugs is used for dash. Welding plugs is used for to prevent oxidation or to stop oxidation. Question number D, correct answer. To stop oxidation or to prevent oxidation. Question number 50. The least count of Vernier Pebble Predator. The least count of Vernier Pebble Predator is, this question answer B, correct answer, but this 5 seconds, this answer wrong. Correct answer 5 minute. 1 comma. Answer 5 minute. This wrong. 5 minute. So this question paper is used to all friends. Thanks to all.